Robert, you're falling!
Whoa, that was loud. Sleep, sleep. I'm gonna go outside.
Yeah, you already woke me up.
Well, you woke me up, but I was trying to sleep. I'm gonna go make a video outside. Oh. Huh? Lay down. We got 30 minutes.
No.
Kemala. He's all pissed off because I woke him up from his beauty sleep.